Hello everyone. Welcome to the solution of LeetCode problem 100 named same tree. In this problem, we are given two trees and we have to determine whether both of the trees are same or not. Let's analyze the example 1. Here we can see that both of the trees are similar. The root is 1 in both of the trees and the left and right child in both of the trees are 2s and 3s. So here we have to return true. In the second example, both of the trees are not same because first tree has the left child but second tree has the right child. So in this case we have to return false. Again, in the third example, we are given two trees. Here the right children of tree 1 is 1 and the right children of tree 2 is 2. So they are not equal. So in this case we have to return false. Now let us understand the constraint. Here, the number of nodes in both trees can be in between 0 to 100 and the value presented in node can be in between minus 10 to the power 4 to positive 10 to the power 4. Now, let's understand the solution by using some other example. Here, consider these two scenarios where in the first case, both of the tree are the same, but in the second case, both of the tree are not same because the right children of tree 1 is 3, but the right children of tree 2 is 4. And node 2 also has a right children, but in the first tree, node 2 does not have any other children. So here we can say that this two tree is not same, but this two tree in the scenario 1 is exactly same. Now let us understand the algorithm. Here at first we have to check if both node is null or not. If both node is null, then we have to return true. In the second base case, we have to check whether one of the node is absent or not. We can understand this second base case by using this scenario 2. Here we can see that node 2 has a right children which is 5, but here node 2 does not have any other children. So its right children is null. So we can tackle this kind of scenarios by using the second base case. In the third base case, we have to check if the value presented in both node is same or not. If it is, then we have to return true. Otherwise, we have to return false. Consider the second scenarios. Here, the value of right children of tree 1 is 3, but the value of right children of tree 2 is 4. So, both of them are not equal. So we can tackle this kind of situation by using the third base case. Finally, we have to recursively call the callback function on the left and right subtree as well, which means suppose we are presented in node 1 in both of the trees. So we have to recursively call the callback function into the left subtree and into the right subtree as well. So this is the algorithm. Now let us understand the code. In this code, we are given a callback function which is same tree and it has two parameters which corresponds to two trees. Now at first we have to check the first base condition whether both of the node is null or not. If both of the node is null, then we have to return true. In the second base case, we have to check if one of the node is null and other node is exist. So in this situation, we have to return false. In the third base case, we have to check whether the value of both node is equal or not. If it is not equal, then we have to return false. After that, we have to recursively call the callback function, which is same tree, on the left subtree and also the right subtree as well. Now, let us understand the time and space complexity of this program. Here, the time complexity of this program is big O of n, where n is the number of nodes in the larger tree, because the function is same as the recursive function, and in the worst case, we have to visit all of the n nodes in the larger tree. So therefore, the time complexity is big O of n, and the space complexity is big O of h, where h is the maximum height of two trees, because the space complexity is determined by the maximum depth of the recursive call stack. In the worst case, the depth of the recursion is the height of the taller tree. So therefore, in this case, the space complexity is big O of h, where h is the maximum height of two trees. Thank you everyone for watching this video. We will get back soon with another LeetCode solution.